What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get all upcoming content. Even if you're not new to the channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that way we can push these videos. So, I know I haven't been posting too many videos lately about the Magnum since I did a video about the hood. One, because it's still in the shop, just waiting. Two, while it's still in the shop, we're going to go ahead and get some unboxing from some of the parts that we have gotten for the Magnum. Well, I'm going to say one box unboxing, because other things is not parts for the Magnum. So this is something for the Magnum. It's gonna make it look a whole lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video real quick, because I know y'all don't want to hear me talking. Plus, at the same time, we're gonna say Happy New Year to you guys. Yeah, let's get into this video and check it out and see what it is that I got that I'm unboxing. So here's the box. The box, yep, the box. And ooh, there we go. I'll hold that side down right there. Good. Y'all ready for this? I don't know if y'all ready. But at the same time, I got a new floodlight for my driveway, so that way it watch my car. But at the same time, what y'all think? I'm starting to like it already. We're gonna go ahead. Let's wrap with the bubble wrap. Uh-oh. What? That's a new good old tail lights, man. Yes, yes. Good new tail lights. That's gonna be banging on the Magnum. Can't wait. New chair as well. I like my little gaming chair for the time being, while I'm out here working, you know, getting it in. Also, my son, he bought me a speaker as well for Christmas. Let's turn that on. Uh-oh. Power on. Do you see that? That says power on. Yeah, my son bought that for me for out here in my workspace. So, I just want to say to everyone, Happy New Year. Hopefully you guys enjoy your New Year's. Stay safe out there. And hey, make the best of it. 2021 gonna be a banger. So definitely stay tuned and follow the journey, because it's gonna be a journey. Got more to come. So keep watching. Peace.